Courtroom victories aren't solely won with compelling arguments and evidence. Body language plays a crucial role in influencing judges and juries. Mastering the art of nonverbal communication can enhance your credibility, confidence, and persuasive power in court. In this guide, we'll uncover 7 body language secrets to help you sway the courtroom in your favor. 1. Confident posture. Confidence begins with posture. Stand tall, with your shoulders back and head held high. Avoid slouching or crossing your arms, as these gestures can convey insecurity or defensiveness. A strong, upright posture exudes authority and self-assurance, making a positive impression on judges and jurors. 2. Eye contact. Maintain steady eye contact with the judge, jurors, and opposing counsel throughout proceedings. Direct eye contact demonstrates sincerity, honesty, and attentiveness. It also fosters a sense of connection and trust with the decision makers, enhancing your credibility as a witness or advocate. 3. Genuine expressions. Authenticity is key to effective communication. Express genuine emotions through your facial expressions, avoiding forced smiles or exaggerated gestures. Whether conveying empathy, concern, or determination, let your expressions reflect the sincerity of your words and intentions. 4. Mirroring and matching. Build rapport with judges and jurors by subtly mirroring their body language. Match their posture, gestures, and facial expressions to create a sense of familiarity and connection. Mirroring fosters empathy and rapport, making it easier to establish trust and credibility in the courtroom. 5. Effective gestures. Use purposeful gestures to emphasize key points and enhance your verbal arguments. Keep gestures natural and in sync with your speech, avoiding distracting or excessive movements. Strategic use of gestures can amplify your persuasive impact and capture the attention of the audience. 6. Controlled breathing. Maintain control over your breathing to manage stress and anxiety during courtroom proceedings. Deep, steady breaths can help calm nerves and center your focus, allowing you to present your case with clarity and composure. Controlled breathing also regulates your voice tone and pace, conveying confidence and authority. 7. Adapting to the environment. Stay attuned to the dynamics of the courtroom environment and adjust your body language accordingly. Pay attention to cues from judges, jurors, and opposing counsel, adapting your demeanor and gestures to suit the situation. Flexibility and adaptability in your body language can enhance your effectiveness as a communicator and advocate. In conclusion, mastering body language is a powerful tool for success in the courtroom. By projecting confidence, maintaining eye contact, expressing genuine emotions, mirroring and matching, using effective gestures, controlling breathing, and adapting to the environment, you can elevate your persuasive presence and sway the outcome of legal proceedings in your favor. Incorporate these body language secrets into your courtroom strategy and watch as your influence and impact soar.